Yeah, we're back. Today we'll be looking at something unique. This is Toshiba laptop. Whenever you power it on, it will just flash a big light and go off. It keeps repeating that all over again. It flashes the LED light and it goes off. So I would dis- disassemble the system so we'll take proper look at the motherboard. So let's begin with removing the battery, which is very important. So this is the motherboard. So let's try and connect the power and see what's going on with this board. Let's connect the power for now and see what's going on. Because whenever you power it, it keeps restarting. It doesn't boot up, it just flash the LED light and goes back. It keeps repeating that over and over. So take a look, proper look, we see. Just observe. So on that note, we'll be replacing the token capacitor, which is directly on top of the processor. This may take a little while, but we need to apply more heat to pull out the capacitor and replace it with a 3.30 capacitors that will help us solve this particular problem. So we finally pulled it out. Let's put plenty lead on the parts we're gonna put the new capacitors, so it will be firm. A little bit of lead on both ends. can actually get our new capacitance from any of the old scraps. It's a 3.30. Okay, 330 capacitor. That's what we'll be using. About 4 of them. We put them side by side and watch if this will correct the issue of flashing lead lights and not coming up at the same time. So we're done applying these new capacitors. You can see they are all placed side by side, 4 pieces of them. So let's see if it will solve our problem, and let's wait and see. And yes, you see all the lights are up and the screen is up as well. So the token capacitor that we pulled out, it's the cause of that particular problem. So let's couple the system while we wait. We're done coupling the system, so let's try for the last time and see. Oh, here we go. The system is fine. Thank you.